Today the class is on time and distance. So first I will tell you about formula, and there are around 29-30 questions in two sets. So let us start. So speed, you know that speed is equal to distance by time, and 1 kilometer per hour, if you want to convert into meter per second, then 5 by 18 you have to multiply that thing. Then 1 meter per second you want to convert it, 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. So now if speed of A and B is A is to B, then the ratio of time taken by them to cover the same distances 1 by A is to 1 by B, or you can say B is to A. Suppose speed is x while going from this point to this point, okay, and while coming from this point back to the same point, speed is y. The total distance is m. So why I am showing you, I want to show you how to derive an average speed formula. Speed is distance by time. Suppose he takes t1 time in covering the same distance m, so speed will be x. To cover the same distance m in t2 time, the speed is y. So average speed is equal to m, and while coming back also m plus m, and time taken is different, t1 plus t2, and you know that distance by time, total distance by total time. What is total distance? 2m. So time here I have shown you, t1 is equal to m by x and t2 is equal to m by y. t1 is equal to same m by x, t2 is equal to m by y, you just put it. So you'll find that why t1, see t1, when you make it that m by t1 is x, here t1 will become m by x, so m by x, m by y, m is common, so 2xy by x plus y is the average speed. So here the question is, a scooterist travels from this point to this point, he takes 2 minutes, and the scooterist speed is 36 kilometer per hour. So speed is distance by time. D we don't know, we have to find out, and time he takes 2 minutes. So we can write that 36 into 5 by 18, convert, since it is 2 minutes, we have to convert this into second and this into meter per second. So you know 1 kilometer per hour, 5 by 18, convert it, and then d by 2 minute equal to d by 2 into 60 seconds. Second part get cancelled, and 2 into 60 will come here. This will also get cancelled. 18 1, 18 2. So 2 into 5, 10, into 2 into 60, it will become 1200 meter. So to convert into kilometer, divide it by 1000, 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. You apply it here, it will become 1.2 kilometer is the distance which he travels. Question says, if a man run at 3 meter per second, how many kilometer does he run in 1 hour 40 minutes? So here the man starts and he takes 1 hour 40 minutes, okay, to reach this point, and speed is given. So x is given 3 meter per second. So time is 1 hour 40 minutes. So convert it, 1 hour means 60 minutes plus 40, 100 minutes, convert it into second, 6000 second. Okay, so now x is equal to, you know, distance by time. We have to find out distance from here to here, how many kilometer he has traveled by time. 3 meter per second equal to d. Time is how much? 6000 second. So this second got cancelled. So d is equal to how much? Swap it. D comes here. So 3 into 6, this 6000, 18,000 meter, divide by 1000, 18 kilometer. So now coming to third question, there are two towns A and B, okay, and Anil takes from A to B, his speed is 40 km per hour, and when he returns back, his speed is 60 km per hour. So let us take x is 40 and y is 60. So average speed we have to calculate. So I have already told you the formula 2x by x plus y. Just put it. So 2 into 40 into 60 by 100. So this 0 got cancelled. 2 into 4 into 6, 48 km per hour is the answer. Okay, so now here, if a man walks from here to this place, okay, so he takes 7 minutes, means he misses the train by 7 minutes, and with the speed of 5 km per hour. If he walks at the speed of 6 km per hour, means he increases the speed, what happens? The same distance he reaches 5 minutes early. T is the standard time, you take it. So T plus 7 minutes more he is taking time to reach before the arrival of the train, exact time of the arrival of the train. And here 5 minutes early the arrival of the train. So 5 minutes is a waste, so T minus 5 is the exact time he takes in reaching x distance, okay. So V1 is equal to, suppose x is the distance he travels by T1, x by T1 is how much? Total time he takes T plus 7 minutes, T plus 7 minutes. V2 x by T2 x 5 minutes early, so you minus it, okay, from the standard time. You know, since the distance is same, so v1 t1 is equal to v2 t2. v1 t1 is t plus 7 and t2 is t minus 5. You just put it like this. Now since v1 is 5 km per hour, so this is 5 km per hour. To convert it into meter per second, I have written 5 into 18. Again here v2 is 6, 5 by 18. So what happened here? This get cancelled. Kilometer per hour also get cancelled here also. 5t, 5 7 is a 35, and here 6t and 6 into 5 minus 30. So 60 you will take it right, and this 5t comes here, it becomes 60 minus t, here it is 65. So what is this 65 minutes? Now we have to find out what is the x the question is saying. So since x is equal to v1 into t1, v1 is how much? 5 km per hour into t1 is how much? T plus 7. So t is how much we got? 65 minute plus 7 minutes. So it becomes 72 minutes. 5 km per hour. To convert into hour, we have to divide it by 60. So now it becomes hour. Now this hour get cancelled. Now 72 by 60, this 5, 12 5s are 60, 12 6s are, now this 5 also further got cancelled, now only 6. So answer is 6 km. So this question says that a man travels for 5 hours 15 minutes. If he covers the first half of the journey at 60 km and the rest at 45 km per hour, so now the total time he takes how much? 5 hours 15 minutes. So convert it, it will come 315 minutes. So in 350 minutes, first half he travels at this 60 km per hour speed, and second half he travels at 45 km. So we have to find x plus x. We have to find x plus x, 2x. Okay, this is our question. Now since here he takes suppose t1 times and here he takes suppose t2 times. Time is, total time is given, t1 plus t2 is equal to 315 minutes. So t1 you can say x by distance by velocity, formula you put it here, plus t2 x by v2 is equal to 315. So here v1 is how much given? 60 and v2 45. So since it is in hour, since it is in minute, convert into hour, divide by 60. Okay, so because this is given 60 km per hour and 45 km per hour. So now x take common, 1 by 60 plus 1 by 45 is equal to this. Again you calculate 45, it comes here, plus 60 by this hour per kilometer, this is hour. So you cancel this hour, this kilometer goes this side, 315 by 60, 45 into 60 by 45 plus 60 is 105. So you calculate it, it will give you 135 kilometer x value. So since you have to find out 2x, multiply it by 2, you will get 270 kilometer. So total from here to here, how much he travels? 270 kilometer. So here the question is, there are two stations A and B. One train starts at 8 a.m. and another train starts at 9 a.m. So after 1 hour another train starts and both are traveling in opposite direction. Okay, and the distance between both stations are 330 kilometers. So what it is given in the question, first train which starts earlier, 1 hour earlier, speed at the rate of 60 kilometers per hour, and which start after 1 hour delay from second station, 75 kilometers per hour. Suppose both are traveling. Now whenever both interact, suppose they meet at this point, the train which starts from at 8 a.m. will take 1 hour more. So time taken by it will be 1 plus t. Suppose another train interacts meet at t time. So this, suppose first train travel at x distance, and then second train will be 330 kilometer minus x distance it will travel. Since it is given a 330 kilometer, so suppose you take first train travel at the total distance it travel x kilometer. So second train will travel 330 minus x kilometer. So here v1 is equal to distance by time. Distance is how much? First train x, and time it is taking 1 plus t. So you can write t plus 1 here. v1 is how much? 60 kilometer per hour x, and time it is taking t plus 1 hour. Okay, so if you calculate here t plus 1, so 60t into 60 is equal to x. This is the first equation. Second equation, distance it travels 330 minus x. Okay, and time it is taking t time, in t time. So second equation will be 75t plus equal to 330 minus x. both these equations, first equation you write, okay, as it is, second equation you write as it is, and you just add it. So what will happen? This will get cancelled. Okay, so here 330 will be left. 60 plus 75t, 135t plus 60. 135t is equal to 330 plus 60 will go here, minus 60, 270. So t 270 by 135, 2 hour you will get. T is what? 2 hour. Here we are taking t. 9 a.m. he starts and takes t time. How much time? 2 hour. So 9 a.m. plus 2 hour he travels. What will be 9, 10, 11. So 11 a.m. both the train meets. So this is the answer. Now the question says that a goods train leaves and travel for certain time and at a fixed speed. So let us that goods train fixed speed is V1. After 6 hours an express train leaves. So same point, this express train leaves. Okay, same point at a speed of 90 km per hour. Okay, but after 6 hours, so good trains leaves 6 hours before. And what the question says that when an express train leaves after 4 hours, crosses this goods train, already it has traveled 6 hours. So when this express train was at this point, it has already traveled goods train 6 hours, but in 4 hours this express train crosses this. So the time, extra time, this traveled 6 hours plus 4 hours. So good trains has traveled how many time? So hours, 6 plus 4, 10 hours. So now since distance traveled by both of them is x, where they meet, then V1, T1 is equal to V2, T2, V1. T1 is what? 4 plus 6. This 4 plus 6 and this T2 is 4 hours, 90 into 4. Okay, so you do 4 plus 6, 10. So you calculate, you will get this answer. Suppose a man, as the question says, a man walks x meter, okay, with the usual speed of u. Time he takes t. Now what he says, question says that if he is walking 5 by 6 of its usual speed, 5 by 6 of its usual speed, then he takes 10 minutes more time. So t plus 10. The time will be now in the second case t plus 10. So distance is good, as we know, speed into time. So distance is how much? X he travels. The speed is in first case u into t, and in second case this is 5 by 6 u into time he takes t plus 10 minutes. So u into usual time into t, 5 by 6 usual speed into t plus 10. So after calculating you will get t is equal to 50. So what is this? So it is the usual time he takes to cover this x distance. So now he is taking, since the speed has changed, so he is taking 60 minutes. This 50 plus 10. So here the question says two bicyclists, they travel from this point to this point, means they travel x distance. One travel at 15 km per hour, another travel at 16 km per hour. Okay, but in this case what happens, if one takes 16 minutes more than the other, then what is the distance traveled by them? Okay, so suppose here it is given V1 and V2 and T1, T2, let us take it takes T1 time and takes T2 time. So as per the question it says that one takes more time. So difference between two timing will be T1 minus T2 is equal to 16 minutes. It is already given. So T1 you know by the formula, distance by velocity or speed. So distance is what? X. In both the case x and speed is V1, for another x by V2, and 16 minutes. So you can convert this in hour, since velocity speed is given in kilometer per hour. Okay, so I have converted it into hour. X V1 is 15. Just put the numbers. What you will find, 1 by 15 minus 1 by 16 is equal to 16 by 16. But since this 15, what is this? This is a kilometer per hour. This is kilometer per hour. So here I have taken kilometer and hour goes upside. So here now hour can get cancelled. Okay, so if you do 16 minus 15, 1, and this goes here 15 into 16 into 60 by 60. So here it comes 64 kilometer. So what is this both travel? 64 kilometer. So question says that a policeman spotted a thief, and thief is at a distance of far away from this policeman 200 meter, and after spotting this policeman start running. Okay, and both are running in the same direction. After certain time, what happened, this policeman will catch this thief, this point. So here what happens, how much distance this policeman has traveled? The policeman has traveled 200 meter plus x distance, and thief has traveled x. Suppose thief has traveled x distance in meter, then policeman has traveled 200 plus x meter. But the time they have taken, because thief has not started from here, thief has started from here, but time, suppose they are 9 a.m. and 9 a.m. both they have started and they caught at 10 a.m. suppose. Okay, after whatever time. Okay, suppose. So time is same. So T1 is equal to T2. T1 is what? Distance traveled by policeman is 200 plus X. By what is the speed of policeman? 12 km per hour. What is the distance traveled by this thief? X we have taken, and speed is 10 km per hour. So you remove this here. 10 into 200, 10 into X is equal to 12X. So after solving this, you will get X is equal to 1000 meter. So this much X is how much? 1000 meter. And thief has traveled 1000 meter and policeman has traveled 1000 plus 200, 1200 meter. So as per the question, it says that Vikas cover a certain distance. Suppose this is a distance, X distance he is covering. Okay, total from here to here. Total time he takes 1 hour 24 minutes. So he calculated 84 minutes. Okay, total time from here to here it reaches. But during the journey, 3 part of his journey, he takes he goes with a speed of 4 km per hour, and the rest part he travels at a distance of 5 km per hour. So 2 by 3x, so rest left is 1 by 3x. Time it takes, suppose here he takes T1 time, in this part he takes T2 time. Total you do T time. T is already given 84 minutes, just put it, simple. T1 is equal to, you know that, distance by velocity. The distance is 2 by 3x, V1 is, just put it. T2 is 1 by 3x by 5. And this is what? This is kilometer per hour. Okay, so just do, simplify it. So here 5 is kilometer per hour. So kilometer comes down and hour comes up. Hour get cancelled and this kilometer goes here. More simplify it like this. What happens? 3 and this is 20. Okay, now see, calculate it. 10 plus 4 by 20. This 20 get cancelled. 10 plus 4 it becomes 14. So here what happens? It comes down here 14 1, 14 6. So answer is 6 kilometers. The total distance is 6 kilometers. So now this 12th question says a man covers the distance on scooter. Had he moved 3 km per hour faster, he would have taken 40 minutes less. So consider the man on a scooter moves with a normal speed of V km per hour. So as he moved 3 km per hour, increases the speed of 3 km per hour faster, he will reach the same destination. Suppose this is the destination. Suppose this is X. Okay, this is the destination. So take the normal speed is V. So time taken, you know the formula, like V is equal to X by T. So in this case, normal speed is V, distance is X, which is fixed. Okay, so only time, what happens? Take this normal, when the normal speed is this V, so X by V, this is time. What time he takes? T time. Okay, normal time. But as he increases the speed at 3 km per hour, so we have to add this T minus, suppose T1 is equal to 40 minutes. As he increases the difference in timing, he takes less time, 40 minutes less. So here I have written. So this is a one formula. Now second question, he says if he moved 2 km per hour slower, then what will happen? He would have taken 40 minutes more. So he would have taken 40 minutes more. From his normal speed, he has decreased 2 km per hour. So when the speed you decreases, you will take more time to cover the same distance. So here he is taking 40 minutes more time to cover the distance. So here what happens? This is T1 is equal to 40 minutes. So now you solve these two. Here what happens? X is the common. 1 by V minus 1 by V plus 3 is equal to, convert into hour, divide by 60. So it will be like this. So 2 2s are 4, 2 by 3. And here V plus 3 minus V like this. So this V and V got cancelled. Okay. So this 3x, 2 by 3 to 3 into 3, 9x is equal to 2V V plus 3. First equation, and here again x got common, 1 by V minus 2 and this 1 by V, 40 by 60, 2 by 3, and here V into 1, V minus 2, minus V, and there minus into minus plus. So this again got cancelled. Okay, so 2x by V minus 2, 2 by 3. So this 2 also got cancelled. So 3 into x, 3x equal to V minus 2. This but since this is 9x is equal to 2, so this is 3x, multiply the whole equation by 3, you will get 9x is equal to 3V minus the second equation. Now here 9x equal to this whole thing you copy it here, and this thing you copy it here equal to. So here what happens? This is V, so this V got cancelled. So 2 into V, 2V, 2 3 6, 3V minus 6. So minus 6 comes here, it becomes plus 6, and this 2V goes here, it becomes minus 2. So V becomes 12 km per hour. Okay. Now what happens? You got the value of V. So you do one thing, you put the value of V here. So 3x is equal to v minus 2. So in place of v you put 12. You will get 3x is equal to 12 into 10. 3x is equal to 120. X is equal to 120 by 3 is equal to 40 kilometers. So how much is the distance from here to here? 40 kilometers. So this question says, excluding stoppage, the speed of a bus is 54 km per hour, and including stoppage, it is 45 km per hour. And what we have to find out, how many minutes does the bus stop per hour? So in 1 hour, how many minutes the bus is going to stop? Suppose bus covers x kilometer. Very clearly, it is saying 54 km per hour, excluding stoppages. Including when it stops, then how many kilometers it covers in 1 hour? In 1 hour it covers 45 kilometers. So what is the difference between both? 9 kilometers. Think it like this, in 1 hour it travels 54 kilometers, and due to stoppage 54 kilometers in 60 minutes. So due to stoppage he missed the chance of 9 kilometers to travel. You just put in 9 kilometers, how many minutes the bus will take to travel? 9 into 60 by 54. So you will get 10 minutes. So if bus does not stop, it will take 1 hour. So this is the answer. So the question says, two men starting from the same point, okay, same place, walking at the rate of, one at the rate of 5 km per hour, another at the rate of 5.5 km per hour. You know that 5 km per hour and whose speed is 5.5, so naturally he will overtake this, okay. Both will start at the same point, but this 5.5 will overtake this. And the question says this will be a 8.5 km from this, so both are traveling, but here it is 8, this distance will be 8.5. So let's first start at 5 km per hour. Okay, he travels x distance. Meanwhile, since another man whose speed is 5.5 km, he travels x as well as 8.5 km. As per the question, it says. So now we have to find out what is the value of x. When this second man overtakes this first man, means he both are at a part of 8.5 km apart. Then we have to find out what is this x value. So you know d1 is equal to x kilometer, and here d2 for second man, this total distance he traveled x plus 8.5 kilometer. Both time will be same. t1 is equal to t2. In the same t1 time, this both time will be same. So he is at this point in the same time, and this fellow is at this point at the same time. So d1 by v1, you write it like this. d1 is x, and by 5. d2 is x by this by 5.5, this 1.1. So this 1.1 into x, here it comes, and this x plus 8.5. So here it is x. If it comes here common, it will become minus 1. Okay, so x is equal to 8.5 by 0.1. So this goes 85. So what is the value of x? It is a 85 kilometers. When 85 kilometer, this distance we have found out. Now we have to find what is the time this second fellow has taken to be 8.5 kilometer apart. So just t1 is equal to, we know d1 by v1. You just put it d1 by v1. d1 we have got it. This 85. Put it here. And what is v1? v1 is 5 kilometer per hour. So this 5.1 and this 5.70. Welcome to Shrivastava Coaching. This is Rohtas Shrivastava. I am starting it from Bangalore. I did my schooling in Gorakhpur, place in UP, and I did my engineering from Karnataka in electronics, and did my MBA from Gurukul Kangri University, Haridwar. I have a professional experience working in companies like Tata, Airtel, Reliance, in different locations like Delhi, Bombay, Gurgaon, Ahmedabad, and Bangalore, as well as outside country also. This particular coaching objective is to prepare the students for SSC exams, railway, banks, as well as GRE. Those students who have completed their engineering and MBBS courses, master's courses, they want to go do MS in UK as well as USA. So they have to compete GRE, TOEFL, SAT and GMAT, and those in India also, like government universities, those who want to clear MBA entrance, for them it is very fruitful. So if you are going to attend 2 to 3 months YouTube, if you will watch all my videos regarding maths, reasoning, English grammar and vocabulary, really it will be easy for you to crack these examinations which I have mentioned. I'm making it a very crisp video for you. All those unnecessarily jargons and words and all those things, a very specific, concrete, crisp video I'm going to create for you. Just in the night time, suppose you are free, headset put in your ear and just watch it. Okay, basic objective is to clear your concept regarding mathematics, all those concepts. Then in grammar, I'm engineer, so my basic objective will to clear your concept about these subjects, and it is not going to help you in cracking the exam. It is going to help you in all sort of life which you are going to carry on. So please subscribe and like my videos. Thank you very much.